lied to the rats to make more of it. In truth, he was building himself a nest egg so he could make good on his deluxe retirement plan. And now you know Mr. Bunsey is important to the story of the Amazing Mauruse because the rats believe he is real. They think they can find a land where all the animals talk and live happily ever after. Farmer Fred opened his door and saw all the animals of Furry Bottom waiting for him.
We can't find Mr. Bunsey,
they cried. If that sounds ominous, it's because it's called foreshadowing, which is kind of a promise to you, letting you know that if you keep with the story, it's going to get ugly. Really.